He grabs vegan booty, ironically by the booty, and throws it the fuck out of there. Now, it is funny.
Isaac Butterfield, stop encouraging people to hurt Tash Peterson. How cruel of a person do you have to be to think that your taste buds are more important than someone's life?
He grabs vegan booty, ironically by the booty, and throws it the fuck out of there. Now, it is funny.
Speciesism is the first form of racism. And racism, like veganphobia, is wrong, and it is dangerous.
These cows, the cows that you see right there, would not exist, and they would not exist across the country or the world in the numbers that they do unless we ate them.
How cruel of a person do you have to be to think that enslaving a mother cow for her entire life and stealing her babies year after year is a life worth living?
So, their lives depend on us eating them.
How cruel of a person do you have to be to year after year laugh at those who are suffering and at those who desperately try to save them? What kind of a person encourages the cruelty of the meat, dairy, and egg industry instead of helping someone like Tash Peterson to save the victims?
Everybody drop a fuck you to the moon to vegan booty in the comments.
Your taste pleasure is only one of the sensory pleasures. Do you also enjoy watching them suffer? Listening to them suffer? What kind of a person can turn their back on someone who has fallen, who cannot get up, who is suffering, who has no hope after a lifetime of hell? What kind of a person does that? Memorize this address and go there. Don'twatch.org. Go there. Don'twatch.org. Cowardly, with no empathy, that will be your legacy. Subscribe to this channel. Press the notification bell. Help me get animals out of hell.